Nice. Fishing in the rain today.
Oh, the raindrops when I can drop my gumdrops. Oh, what the rain
Use some red shrimp flies on this one. We're using some fresh dead squid with it, cutting some strips.
That one.
Nice. You just hooked up?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Oh, this one's right up.
Let's see what you got.
This one.
Noah hooked up.
Makes me real slower.
I see him. Don't focus on there. Focus on the double. Woo! A nice whitefish. And a baby rockfish.
Humongous whitefish. Wow.
Stack. This is Noah's whitefish. Looks like somebody took a nice bite out of him. We're gonna make a little move, okay?
You could actually break this one full. Gonna move?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get my rod. Oh, it has something.
Oh, you got something?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I have you. Oh no.
Look.
We're tangled.
Yeah, because mine's actually going to turn around. My one's facing out the rod holder way. Looks like you got a cleanup buddy, don't you? Because I do clean up the thing.
Ooh! I had a big sandbass on.
Let me see. Now we know there's fish here, Dad. Don't give up now.
This nice sandbass. Big sandbass. He's chomping on some red crab.
Are you trying? Wow. Red crab. Oh!
He's chomping on some red crab right there. Noah's gonna try using the red crab on his hook for this one. That was the red crab that came out of the Sandbass.
Got one?
Yeah.
And it's dead.
Not as big.
A people size, right?
We'll see. Nice one. A red.
Oh, vermilion.
Yep.
Vermilion rockfish.
That's a red.
That one.
Nice.
Oh my, wow, this is a fighter.
Come on, Noah. Keep the pressure on him. Good job. Keep the pressure on him, buddy. Noah's hooked up.
This is a fair fight.
Yeah.
Fair fight.
There you go. Just caught this little red. Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure.
It was worth poking myself for the second time.
You poked yourself?
Yeah.
Oh no.
There.
Let's see if you caught it on the red crab.
I'm using the only red crab. Actually.
Wow. So you caught it on the red crab, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Me and our sandbass.
Let's see what we got.
maybe even a sheephead.
Never know.
Sheephead like crab and
You
lobster.
don't know until you pull it up.
Dad,
You don't know until you
fish.
pull it. What?
It's not my fish, Dad.
It's not yours until it's in the boat. Here, you got something. Oh my gosh, a little lingcod. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Rare to find them, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Noah just caught this baby lingcod. That is so cool, Noah.
I know.
Wow.
Now we know we gotta use my Lingcod rig.
You want to take a picture with it?
Of course I want to.
Wow, that's so cool.
That's shark's teeth.
It's a baby lingcod.
For sure
Lost
we're
one
putting
for the
that.
camera.
For sure. We're putting that. in
Nice
now.
little lingcod Noah just caught. We're gonna get this guy back down. They gotta be 22 inches.
And that's not even close.
Oh, and he bolted back down.
What?
He's good, he's healthy.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
That was so cool!
Yeah!
Nice! We actually caught that one on red crab that we took out of the mouth of a sandbass that we caught. On your bait, I caught. On your bait.
Yeah, I caught one. And I caught another one. Ooh, wow.
Oh, you got a whitefish.
Nice.
Nice. Nice whitefish.
Oh, and I lost one of my baits too.
Wait. Oh,
It's in the boat at least.
exactly.
And I'm gonna put on the other
He
bait.
was barely hooked now.
Yeah. And I'm gonna put on the other bait. Okay?
Okay, but remember. Noah just got this nice little whitefish. Ocean whitefish.
It's like a fighter. Wow.
Got one?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Nice. Good job. You're killing it.
Yeah.
You are absolutely crushing it.
Ooh. I know because the bed. You only caught one fish, I caught like 1,000. Maybe a little less than 1,000. Wow. Look, double and another whitefish.
Nice, Noah. I got one too.
Oh,
Bring him in the boat and drop him on the floor.
oh.
2 whitefish, doubled up.
Another whitefish.
Another whitefish. Woo!
That's a nice one, Dad. Holy cow. What is that?
Ooh, he's peeing.
That is the red.
I think it's a chuckle. Nice rockfish right there. Biggest of the day so far. That's a nice one, huh, Noah?
Yeah.
Woo! Nice! Found it.
Boing. We doubled.
Oh, you got one. Oh, you reeled in too much.
I know that. Oh, a whitefish.
Bring it in, bring it in.
A whitefish.
Yeah.
That's new.
Noah caught this whitefish. Nice one.
Still have some red crab, Dad.
Good job, Noah. Ooh, I see it.
Oh,
It's a nice whitefish.
the whitefish are chowing down on me.
Noah caught this whitefish. Very nice one.